the GitHub Game Off stream. How is everyone? We've got Takeman here. He's almost starting at 2. No, it's always been 3. 3/4/2021. We're starting life on a new leaf. How are you? We've also got Fairly. Hello, GitHub. Yes, hello. Mish representing GitHub. Yay. Excited to be here, everyone. I'm also excited to show off some of the really cool games. Again, this week, apologies for being a couple minutes late. I had some very interesting, fun times with my computer. I had it all set up, ready to go about an hour ago. And then when about 15 minutes ago, maybe a bit longer now, 20 minutes ago, when I went to go live, everything died. The camera died, the microphone died, and then my computer died. And I was like, oh, fun. This is why you need 2 computers for streaming. That's my top tip for today. Get 2 computers for streaming. But yeah, how is everyone? Is everyone having a lovely afternoon, a lovely evening, a lovely morning, depending on where you're tuning in from? But I think without further ado, considering we're already a few ados in, most streamers use 2 PCs these days. I know they do, and I have 2 PCs, and I totally should use 2 PCs. But my one big PC is big enough, good enough. Yeah, ready to see some games. So let's get straight into the games. Alrighty. So this is from last week's edition. So if you were joining in the streams last week, at the end of the stream, and we're going to do it again this week, we jumped over to the GitHub community forums to talk further about the GitHub Game Off. We're going to be doing this again today. So if you jump in here to that link, you'll see I posted up a list of the games we talked about last week. A few people jumped in, had a chat, and people kind of enjoyed it. So there are people giving likes and things. And the community team has decided to give some incentives. So if you jump onto the community forums and participate in our stream or our forum chat, you will be able to receive an exclusive GitHub Game Off badge. So if you have a look on, well, I've got it because they added it to me, but let's have a look. So Ryan Richard, who jumped in last week, he got the GitHub Game Off badge. So there you go. And so did, who else was in here? So did Rembrandt's the GitHub Game Off badge. So if you want the exclusive badge, jump over to the community forums. If you were here last week, feel free to talk about the games. Otherwise, feel free to wait to the end of the stream too, where I will put up a list again of the games that we talked about, as well as we'll share this as well, the links that we shared from last week's stream. So we'll talk about those, so leave that there. But for those of you who don't know about GitHub Game, who doesn't know about GitHub Game Off? How many people were here last week? I want to know how many people were here this week and then last week. I'll talk about it all again anyway. But if you were here last week, you would have heard us talk about what the actual GitHub Game Off is. And the GitHub Game Off is a fun, exciting game challenge where you create a game in any kind of language, and there are no restrictions on what you create. There's no criteria of like, has to be written in this language or has to be this size. It is just make a game, and the only criteria is you have to hit the theme in some way, shape or form. So last year's theme for the GitHub Game Off was Moonshot. So let's have a look. Oh, actually we didn't do the highlight. Let's do the highlights. So this was the highlights from some of the games, and you will see we will play some of them. And you'll see that some of them really hit the theme and others just took it to the next level. So let's have a quick look. Moonshot. That one was really fun. We played the catwalk last week. Hey Jen, how are you? We played that one last week too. That looks like marble. Oh, we played that one last week. That was Mon. Oh, we played that one. Was hilarious. That was one of the last games we played again last week. this is fun. That was really good, that one. Trip to the Moon. We played that one. We actually got through a whole lot of that one. So that was really fun. But you might remember me saying, if you were here last week, that unlike a lot of competitions or hackathons, there's no judging for the GitHub Game Off. Instead, so there's no judges panel, sorry, there's judging. There's no judges panel. Instead of having like a judging panel, anyone who submits a game, and there were just on 500 submissions last year, anyone who submits a game is able to judge everyone else's game. So 6 categories that the games get judged in. I think I actually wrote them somewhere. Oh, actually, you know where I did write them? On the Dev2 post that I put up at the end of last week. So let's have a quick look at my dashboard and I'll share this with you. So that was the one we wrapped up from last week. So here are the top categories. So there's an overall category, there's a gameplay category, graphics, audio, theme interpretation, and innovation. So there's 6 categories. And if you submit a game for the Game Off, you basically get to judge everyone else. How many games are multiplayer? Oh, I actually don't have the stats on that. When Lee Riley jumps in, he might know the stats on the number of games that were submitted that were multiplayer versus the number of games as single player. Majoritively speaking, the games are single player, but you may have remembered last week, one of the games that we played was actually up to 8 players. It was insane. It was nuts. I was like, how is so many games? Well, actually, you know what? To kick us off, I'm going to show you all really briefly. So this was a game that we highlighted last week, and this is Lee Riley's favorite game of all the GitHub Game Offs. This game was submitted in 2017, I think. 2017. And it's just such an awesome game. But this game is like the pinnacle of like what Lee looks for in games. When I say Lee Riley is the guy from GitHub who actually runs the GitHub Game Off competition. But as I said, we don't actually judge the games. So no one from GitHub judges games, no fancy judging panel. It's literally a community. But this is one we played last week to show you all how cool it was. And you may have remembered that Lee actually mentioned that he built this into an arcade, and I actually want to go and make this now. I actually want to go and make this game. So we'll talk a bit more about it. We'll talk about it a bit more in a second. But each of the games are open sourced, so we will show you some of them. I'll show you some of them. But each of the games are open source, so you can go and you can download the games, you can play them. But what I really like is that you can fork and clone them. So what I want to try and do is, oh wow. What I want to try and do is grab this game and put it into RGB neon lights and hook it up to like all my Razer peripherals. So Lee has this game built into an arcade, except I want to like, oh wow, oh that was really good. So I want to be able to go into here. So if we have a look at that one then, let's get out of it. Neon Skylines Game Off. Alright. So this was it here. So we use the itch.io platform for the games, and each one will go into each game, so don't worry about that. But each of the games are hosted on this platform, or like showcased on this platform, and then you can go to the GitHub repo for every single one of them. Yeah, I think a lot of maths was definitely involved in this one. It's like crazy. So you can download the latest build, or we can go here. So I've already started, I'm pretty sure. We can go and like get all the code. Oh, I could open it up in code spaces, but oh yeah, I actually don't have any active ones. Anyway, let's just like, you know what I could do? GitHub. Show off some of our really cool things. Give me a terminal window. This is what I love about streaming for GitHub. I get to show off some of the cool things we're doing. Okay. Let's go to my directory where I've got all my... Where have I got them all saved? Go to the directory where I've got all my... Oops. CD. That. Thank you. Open up that directory. Okay. GH. Make sure we've got GitHub working. Sure, I've got GitHub working in the command line. Alright, now let's go GH repo clone. Think that's the command. Maxi Levy Bax project dash skylines. Cloning! Sweet, now I'm cloning the repo. So what I can do now is I can... Sweet, I've now cloned the repo. So that repo is now cloned and I can now go and change it. I can open it, so if I go to... Where I just put that repo? Project Skylines. Alright, let's open that. Open in Windows Terminal. I can open in Terminal, I can open it in Windows GitHub Desktop, or I could open it up in... I use this VS Code. So VS Code. VS Code, not Q'd. Let me just shut down my last closed folder. Save all. Right, so VS Code. Here it is. Beautiful, working. And then we dump the Project Skylines into here and we can just start like working on things. So here's all the assets from Project Skylines. There's gonna be so much stuff in here. There you go. Neon Skylines. This is gonna be crazy. Oh, ship color. Ooh. Okay, so obviously this one's written in Unity. You can see that it's like calling all the Unity commands there. The ship color is public class, so we'd have to go and like find it all and then see what we can change. This would actually be really cool. I'm like keen. Thread manager, time controls. I just want to change the colors. But it's not .NET Core, you may not be able to run it. Yeah, I don't know. I should be able to get the .NET Core anyway on here. Travis, oh look, it's a YAML file. Alright, let's have a look. Line pattern. Whoa, that's how they're doing everything. That's crazy. These guys are insane. Well, when I say these guys, it's literally one guy. Marketplace has extensions to help with meta files. Okay, cool. Thank you. This is really cool. Effects, image effects. Whoa, look at them all. This is a lot of coding, but it's like really cool. Player, so there's our ship. So we are, whoa, that's crazy. Yeah, I started learning Unity, but there's no way I can do all this. System using collections. That's ship color. I wonder where you actually find the color for it. It's pretty cool though. Anyway, that's what you can basically do. Change the color of the prefab in Unity. Yeah, I'm reading all the files and need. You know, actually, you know what? I could literally just go into Unity. And dump the whole folder into Unity. Yeah, no, there's no way I'd edit it directly in code. So I can probably just, as you said, just edit it directly in Unity. Copy. Just go add. Git repos. Project Skylines, select folder. Ooh. Oh, it means it's done in an older version. Missing editor version on this machine. Select another version from the list. I have no idea how to do that. Anyway, that's basically how you would do it. So we'll do that at some other point. But for now, what we're going to do is we are going to go and have some fun and talk about some of the other games. So, again, you can install different versions of Unity. Yeah, I probably just have to like install a different version of it. But, okay. We should do that on one of my streams, actually. We are going to do that next Tuesday on my learning stream. So Mish Manners, we are going to do that one. That'll be a bit of fun. But for now, we're going to go back to the games to play for this week, because that's what we are doing. And we're going to look at, see, these are the ones we went through last week. The catapult one, which was the cat going to space, trip to the moon, moon race, Mon, young moon, jet space, lunar bastion, paraluna, I forgot to say paraluna. But this week, we're going to go through as many more as we can. The first one we're going to start with is Billy's Rocket. So Billy's Rocket is actually some fun facts about this guy. I don't know, is his name actually Billy? Hello, is your name Billy? Where is your name? So there's your GitHub repo. We'll star it. I'll go back and like star everyone. It's really nice. I'll zoom in a bit too. I love this one. A commit a day keeps the doctor away. So this person started doing more commits and stuff just for the GitHub Game Ops. So this is really cool. That he's like jumped back in and done it. So anyway, let's go play Billy's Rocket. So Billy is a 4-year-old aerospace engineer. 4 years, that's pretty good. Don't question it too much. Use A and D. So using the WASD keys. But by the looks of it, it is literally just a 2-button game. So all you use is A and D. And this one's also built with Unity. So let's run it. Go. There you go, built with Unity. The giant Unity logo comes up. Oh, it's cute. Okay. Oh, okay. So you gotta balance it. Oh, I died. Wow, I scored 1. Oh, wow. Okay, so you, right. Do you hit the birds? No. Oh! Okay, so I died. I crashed the rocket! Okay, so it's literally just a game where you've got to like keep the rocket in the air. That's it. Okay. Do we... Oh, I died. Okay, so if you let go... If you let go of one of them, you like lose momentum. Oh, how did I lose momentum? I just like ran straight into a tree with smiley faces. What the heck? Okay. To balance the rocket through the multiverses, then to infinity. Though the sideboard may be a viable teleporter to get you out of a seat, isn't recommended for users to really mess up the balance. Oh, okay, so we can use the side to like teleport out of here. Oh, you die by hitting a bird. Okay, that makes no sense. If I have a giant rocket and I crash into a bird, I'm pretty sure the bird is gonna die, not the rocket. What? I literally hit the bird. What the heck? Yeah, it's kind of fun. Okay. Yeah, also, if you want to like play along with me, here you go. Okay. I died. I'm getting it. Okay, so you can actually... Oh, what the heck? Go away, bird. I didn't even get off the ground that time. Oh, no, I died that one. So yeah, it's literally just like... Oh, that was close. Oh, I'm doing okay on this one. Ah! I died! Oh my god, where's this? Go away, bird! that star? Ooh, the star does something. Okay, the star does do something. Okay, that's cool. I was avoiding the star because I didn't want to get hit. Oh, I got 754. Go me. Okay, so we want to hit the star. Okay, there's the star. Oh, whoops. Okay, we're getting there. Ah, go away, Betty! Oh, that was lucky. Oh, so you can like teleport in there. Oh, no, okay. Right, so when you teleport, you don't get the use of your keys. There we go. Oh, I missed that one. Basically, you just gotta keep the rockets steady. No. Okay, let's try again. I want to get over 1,000. Oh no, I'm not gonna get it. No, I'm totally getting the hang of it, except just then. Oh no. Oh, there's a bird coming out of nowhere! That's not fair! Go away, Betty. Oh, bro. Okay. I wonder, I mean, this rocket was built by a 4-year-old. Oh, I need that. I need the star. Okay. That was lucky. The star just happened to be at the front. Oh, oh, it's still like sparkly. Oh, there's a star. Oh, it was lucky. Okay, yeah, if you tip too far one side. Oh, wrong. Alright, last go. Oh, I hit the bird. Straight on. I think that's pretty good. We got 754. Let's put my comment. Let's go. 754. There we go. Woo. Alrighty, so that is Billy's Rocket. Thank you, Billy, for that. Fun game. Wait, has he got... yeah, there's some cool gifts and stuff there we can use. Like, where's the music on this one? Okay, let's just you can actually mute that tab, but we'll figure that out later. Okay, next one. We have... Who do we have? Moon... Wait, did we do Moonshot? I don't think we did Moonshot. Moonshot was the next one we were gonna do. Whoops. Moonshot. Here we go. Shoot the moon, literally. Okay. Shoot the moon. Oh, excuse me, moon. Oh, I know what happened. Silly thing. Shoot the moon. The moon. We don't want the moon. Okay, just copy and paste it. Copy. Paste. Okay, shoot the moon. There you go. So, we have to land a job. Okay, no, we landed a job as a destruction sequence manager. Since when has that been like a job title? Alright, sounds on. Ah, new employee, glad to have you aboard. We just received a galaxy full of shiny, oh my gosh, there's shiny things in this game. Woohoo! Full of shiny moons. Moons that must be, what, we're gonna go destroy all the moons? What the heck? Whoa, that's a very pixelated moon. We'll start you on a simple moon. Don't worry, we don't want you scared away on your first day. The Moomerator has limited shots. Oh my god. Moonerator. I have a Moonerator. Ah! That's so good. We have to go destroy. Ah, the smell of your first moon destruction. Okay, so this is a puzzle game. This fun fact, this game is actually written in JavaScript as well. And Pixie.js which is an open source library for building like 2D content type stuff. Level 2, okay. Okay, so you gotta hit it in the right spot. Ah, I see. Yep, that's kind of cool. I used to be in your chair. Well, not that exact chair, of course, but I was tasked with destruction sequence finding. There's something satisfying about the click of a perfect sequence. Yeah, so basically what's behind... So it's colors. So if I click here, it's only going to destroy that one. Whereas if I click this, it'll destroy like all that bit. Yeah, see, I'm out of it now. So we have to reset it. And I can shoot it from any angle by the looks of it. Okay, that took up... Okay. Oh no, it only took up one. It's using WebGL. Nice. Okay, so if we shoot... There we go. If you grow tired of my blabbering, you can disable it. Although it is nice to talk to someone. Again, it grows lonely out here amongst the stars. Okay, so what do we shoot? There we go. You're probably wondering about the destructions. The colors indicate geological wet works in the moon's interior. The Moomerator Mark V 2.9 works best with limited shots. Okay. So... There we go. No, missed it. Okay. I'm trying to work out my story. Are you friends? Are we friends now? Weird. Well, I'm the designer of the Moomerator. She runs smoothly, doesn't she? Wasn't always that way. Oh no. So, I wonder how this thing... What does it like... Okay. If I go like that, what's it actually destroying? I'm trying to I haven't quite worked out exactly what happens. You fire a laser to destroy neighboring colors in the moon. The remaining blocks fall towards the center until you've completely destroyed it. Each moon must be solved within a set number of shots. There's 55 levels. Okay, so it's galactic politics. Okay, so I think... Okay, so it destroys that color and then any colors that are neighboring to it. Okay, I think I kind of got it. Okay, so if I destroy this color, it should bring all those colors together. Yeah, there we go. And then I missed that one, obviously. And then, okay. Yeah, I missed it. Okay, I think I've almost got it. So you need to bring that color into that one. And I've only got 2 shots left, so I need to be able to destroy all those colors. There we go. So if it's on a, like, if it's right on a corner, like, that still counts as 1. So if we get rid of that, there we go, and then it brings them together. So if we get rid of that, then I can get rid of all that at one go. Okay, that makes sense now. I got it. Who funds us? You're a curious one. Once we discovered warp engines, you would think that money would stop being a thing. We're really getting into politics now, aren't we? Okay, so that was a bad move, because now I can't get all this. Okay, so we want the... There we go. That, and then we put it together. There we go. We had abundant resources and energy that could be used for any purpose. It's shocking, I know, even with free energy and unaccountable resources, money was still a thing. There you go, money is a thing even though we're not deep space, people. Oh, I've got more colours now. Oh, I've got more shots though as well. Okay, so if we get rid of that colour first. No, that's probably not a good idea to get rid of that colour first, hey? Although we can get rid of all the pink, then I'll drag the green in together, and then we'll get rid of that last one. There we go. Turns out it wasn't the money people craved, but power. If everyone had infinite money, then nobody would have power. Certain dreams turn out to be just that. Dreams. This is getting real deep. Okay, let's get rid of that blue. And then I draw the orange together and get rid of the last one. Okay, it's not too bad. People just use money and therefore need jobs. Don't need to tell you that since you're clicking away, earning those credits, right? Wait, we're getting credits? I'm actually getting paid to do this, to destroy the moon? Like, what the heck? Okay, that was a bad move, I think. Yeah, that was very bad. That's not gonna work. I think we need to destroy... I destroyed that first, didn't I? Yeah, and then that, and then that'll... Yeah, okay, that's not gonna work. Yeah. It gives you life lessons at the same time. Yeah, exactly. What if I destroy something different? I'm gonna destroy this one. Yeah, there we go. That works. Your purpose? Well, it's our purpose, really. It's the destruction of moons. It's simple, pure, and it's a goal you can get behind. It's got an outcome. Pretty good. Oh. Wow, is that more colors? Okay, what if we destroy the yellow there, and then the blue? Oh, okay, I missed the green there. Okay, we need to reset. Okay, what if we destroy this one first, I think. And then we bring everything together. Green. Okay, that's not gonna work. I missed it. But it's blue, that looks pretty good. And then we destroy all that together. Yeah. I've got 3 shots left. Okay, I should be able to figure that out. Yeah, easy. There we go. There's not always an answer to the why question. You can stop pestering me. Just know that you're a small cog in a large machine with a pure purpose. That's right. You've got to provide provide job satisfaction. It's actually really satisfying, this game. I've always liked puzzle games, though. I think we can bring everything together like that, and then... I don't always destroy moons, of course. In the beginning, wow, we started with a different aim. We were making things better. That's how it started. Then we just thought we'd start destroying the moon instead. Okay, what about this one? Bring those together. Oh, that's not right. There we go. This was before you were born during the planet wars. Warp had just been invented, and while there were unlimited planets and systems to explore, some were more important than others. Okay. I think we'll get to level 20 and then we'll jump to the next game. Okay, let's plonk those together. Okay. It was the crossroad systems that mattered. When you control where warp exits, then you profit from any trade that passes through. Yes. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, is that more colors? No, it's not. I messed that one up. Oopsie. I still messed it up. Yep. Okay. Oh, this one's interesting. Maybe get rid of that pink first. Yeah, there we go. Then we can put things together. There we go. Alright. Ooh. Funky colors. Funky time. Okay. Oh, it's gone to less. So I was like, oh, like here's the colors. There we go. Oh, it's less. Okay, what do we want to do? Maybe try this purple first? Or this? That's a very small one. Almost had it. So it's just these blocks on the end which are really annoying. Okay, so if we get rid of that, oh, that pink will get rid of. No, it won't. Yeah, this one's a tricky one. I think we get rid of that. Oh, see, that gets rid of the whole lot. Yeah, okay. Hello, Smash 8, and hello, Xavier. Oh, what's up? I'm stuck on this one. This one's actually a little difficult. I think there's like a little trick to like getting one of these ones out first. No. This one's a little tricky. We tried that first, didn't we? No, we didn't. Yeah, I'm just left with one every time. It's just these ones on the end. We tried that, didn't we? Oh, hang on. No, got it. Got it. The wars of brutal destruction was constant. The destruction sequence to destroy planets is the same as the moons. People and their cities have no impact on the sequences. Oh no. Okay, last game. Last level, sorry. We'll jump to the next game. Alrighty, that's actually pretty cool. So 55 levels to play through that. We're not quite halfway. But it looks like it goes to a whole lot of moon universe politics and fun stuff. So let's just go to the GitHub. And we'll go and star this one too. Yay! GitHub starred. Alrighty. Next one. What's our next one? We have Pack. Alrighty. Pack. Zhunk. So Pack is made with Godot, like some of the other games that we went through last week. And don't forget the Godot conference just ran recently too. Conference. Go.con, that was it. There we go. YouTube. This is it on YouTube. So if this is one good way to get into gaming, what is this? This is Go.conf. So the reason I'm talking about Go.con is because this game here, Pack, is built in Godot. It's pretty cool. This is another puzzle game. This looks like fun. Right, it's a physics-based game with some interesting mechanics. You're preparing for an upcoming rocket launch and you have the most important job of all, unpacking boxes. Wow. Is Game Off official? What do you mean? Is what Game Off official or Game Jam? Game Jam official? What are we talking about? You talking about game? You talking about Global Game Jam? As in this one, which is currently running at the moment actually. So if you haven't got involved, get involved in Game Jam. Oh, the keynote speaker is Yog. Hey Yog. What up, Yog? Yog's really cool. He runs like all the stuff for packs and things. He's really awesome. Alright, so let's run the game. Basically, we've got to unpack boxes using physics. This will be fun. Zoom in a little. Here we go. Bit more. Bit more. Alright. Let's start at level 1. must pack these into these boxes. Oh, okay. Let's start with the buttons, okay? Pause. Reset. Let's start, okay? Let's start with the start button. Resume. Press start, okay. Plonk. Wow, wow. It just worked. Some items need a little encouragement to get them into their boxes. Highlight the red cell to enable the red conveyor belt, then hit start. Highlight the red. Oh, you know what? I think I might just turn. That doesn't work. I thought dark mode might have something to do with it. Okay, so highlight the red cell. Get the conveyor belt going. How do I get the conveyor belt going? Highlight the red cell to enable the red conveyor belt. Highlight the cell. Got 15 days to launch, we better hurry up. Left click. This is crazy, look at it. Okay. Left click is to select the cell. There will be a grid of cells at the bottom of the screen. Use controls. Okay. Ah, there we go. That's okay, cool. Start. Whee. This is it down the bottom here. Oh, you're a natural. Sweet. Okay, there can be more than one cell. Highlight cell will only power the machine when the timeline slider is above it. Okay. Nice job. Next. You won't always need all cells unhighlighted. You won't always need all cells. Unhighlight cells with the right click, okay? So we don't need the first one. Wow, just wow. Oh, I messed it up. Retry, okay. So we want that one, but not those two. Okay. So good at pressing buttons, you can control multiple colors. Okay. Start. I haven't figured this part out yet. Okay, so we want. This one down here to go that way. Now this one here going that way. That one. It's going that way. Oh, it stops. And then starts again. Okay. What? Why did it not get going? Oh, I see. Green is one way, and purple is the other way. Right, okay, whoops. Start, I got it. There we go. Right, that's what the timeline slider is. Okay, I get it. Pretty good. Next. There is often more than one solution. Okay. So we go that way first, and then that way. There we go. Yep. Pretty good. All the tiles become transparent when the color isn't active. Okay. So, okay, we want one of them to be like inactive. Okay. It's a factory game. Yeah, we're gonna put stuff in boxes. We've got 9 days to launch. If you press stop, you can click and drag the timeline back and forth to get a better look at what's. Oh, okay. Okay, so we want. So I had that right. So it's new. I think that was it. Block. Oh, got it! Yay! Oh my gosh, what the heck? Okay. So we want the blue to go. Okay, where's the start? Okay, that's the start. So we want to go that way first. So we need to go grey first. We need the green going that way. So good at pressing buttons. Ah, what the heck? Okay, so the first one, we need the yellow to drop off. Which means both of them would go that way. Just need the yellow to drop and go. So first off, they'll all go that way and that way. So we need two of the yellows in. So it was right, I just need to flip it around the other way. Yay, there we go. Plonk. Plonk. Alrighty. So that one is Pack by Mr. Bundle. Thank you, Mr. Bundle. Alright, next one we've got is Sky Junk. Sky Junk. Okay, this one's Sky Junk. Ah! Whoops. Sky Junk. Did I send you the one for Pack? If you didn't get the one for Pack, That is pack. Alright, Sky Junk. Oh, okay. So move is the left stick. Oh, we can use a controller for this one. I actually bought a controller so that we can try out any games that have controller capabilities. Alright, gamepad recommended. Cool. Jump, swing, and fly through a unique landscape of floating ships and platforms from a once functioning civilization still guarded by vigilant robots. Great, we have to fight robots. On each stage, gather enough scrap from boxes, barrels, and the robots to repair power and power your ship as it propels you ever upwards towards the moon. There's a lot of like getting you to the moon. It kind of makes sense that the game is like called Moonshot, so lots of people just went, sweet, let's just make it go to the moon. Okay, Sky Junk! Oh, this is looking cool. You've crash landed among unexpected sky junk. Okay. Collect 30 scraps to repair your trip and continue the moon mission. Okay, I got the controller out. Okay, so that's jump. And then whoa. This is kinda cool. Whoa, the jumpers are huge. Whoa, you can jump massively in this game, except now I'm falling. Oh, whoops, I missed it. How do you like reset? I'm like... Whoa. Okay, this is great. What is that? Like, it's like a target. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna get the controls out. Whoa, you can just like keep jumping. Whoa! The machines are ruined. The moon continues to elude your grasp. Okay, do it again. Like, where's the junk that I'm collecting now? I don't understand where the junk is. Oh, it's over there. It's actually quite hard to control. Because as you like slice something, so you move forward quite a lot, and then you just like slide off. Yeah, it's actually quite difficult to control. It's a Unity game too. It's good though. It's very good at it. Ah! Failure! Your machine machinations are ruined. Alright, let's try again. Alright, let's do it. I like the controller support though, it's really cool. Okay. Oh wow. I'm just not sure what these are targeting. Oh. And if you like fall off, it's, oh, you can actually, what was that? Okay. Okay. Now what? Oh, I can do that. Okay. Okay, that's like way cooler. Whoops. This is very sophisticated, yeah, it's really cool. Look at this. What? Oh, somebody. Oh, okay. So my turrets are being, even though I'm still alive, the turrets are killing whatever I'm trying to save. Okay. So you can save yourself pretty well. Super sophisticated. I was not expecting something this crazy. This is nuts, like. It's cool, I just don't know what to do. It's quite difficult to land on top of something. Like, how am I supposed to kill that thing? Okay, so you can shoot away, yeah. Or we can slice, just slice. Do that at the same time. Okay, yeah. Big, crazy and sophisticated, but really cool. I love the fact they've got controls. So let's go and look at where's their GitHub? It's already art and music by Ben Hopkins. There we go. GitHub. Let's go style their GitHub. Yay. Alrighty, next one, macro pool. Let's have a look at this one. Macro pool. Alright, it's a pool but with planets. Throw the moon as a cube and send the planets into a black hole. Export the planet special effects to score the maximum possible. Yeah, another WebGL game. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. Basically, it's a pool. So this one was actually created with Phaser and JavaScript. Pretty sweet. Let's go have a look at this one as well. Cutest games. Sweet. It's a pool but with planets. Oh wow. That's so cool. What a cool opening sequence. Oh yeah, you can still hear the previous game. My bad. There we go. Use the mouse to aim. Ooh. Release the button on the moon to cancel the charge. Establish the highest score you can. Alright, let's give it a go. Name, solar system, classic mode. Alpha Centauri, time attack! Wow. Earthquake, shake it, shot. It's crazy. Oh, okay. I went into a black hole. Okay, so you wait till the ball comes back, or the moon comes back. Oops, and then you charge it up, and then bang. And you try and suck into a black hole, I think. Okay. Propulsion. Okay, I don't quite. The mouse control is a bit interesting on this one. Oh, gravity. Pull all the planets down. Bang! Opposite to the way you'd think it would go. Bang. Whoops. Duh. Falling planets. Okay, so it's actually... That's the way you want it to go? Yeah, okay. So that's weird. So you'd think that line would be the pull cue, but it's not. That line is the way it's gonna go. Boom. What? Oh, I nearly got it. Okay, let's get all the planets into the black hole. Bang! Man, this is what happens when you've been in COVID. You don't know how to play pool anymore. Usually, like, you know, have some fun, play some pool, go to the park. Now it's just like, what? Now I've created an earthquake. Great. Whoa, I missed it. How did that happen? I suppose we are in space. The fact that I can even, like, move the moon around is a testament to itself. Okay, there's the black hole. Okay, so the hole moves every time. Oh, is it getting there? Is it getting there? Is it getting there? Oh, what? The black hole moved. Yeah, I used to play heaps of pool. Oh, great. All the time. Okay. Bang! Yeah, that did not work. No! Don't go into the black hole. The earthquake. Shake at the shot. Shake it up. What? Go into the black hole. Into the black hole. Oh, come on. What the heck? That's totally a glitch, right? Why is the Earth so hard to get into a black hole? That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm surprised space is even moving. Considering... Oh, great. Considering the fact that there is no gravity in space, and therefore there's nothing to move these planets around. There's a black hole. It's right behind me. Oh, great. I just shot myself into the black hole again. Oh, come on, in. Oh, come on. Oh, why does the black hole keep moving? This one's frustrating. Okay. Boom. Bang. There's no gravity. Yes, I know. I know there's no gravity in space. It's where you float. Where's the black hole? Oh, right there. Oh, whatever. That was stupid. This is actually really hard. The game is rigged. I know, you're not supposed to win. Oh, is it going? No. Oh, I got it. That was a good shot. Oh, look, I'm going in too. Do I still win? The moon is a black hole 10 times. Final score 1040. Wow. 8,000 minus all that. Okay. 1,080. High score. Comment. Okay. Whew, that was hard. Alright, next one. What do we got? Guna is another puzzle game. I like these puzzle games. Puzzle games are good fun. Right, give me a puzzle game. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Try to tackle the vast challenge of terraforming the moon by shooting genetically engineered super slime at it to multiply the moon. Whoa. The Earth is becoming uninhabitable. The governments of the world are down to one drastic option. Follow the advice of mad scientists and spread genetically engineered super slime on the moon that they will claim will terraform it into a utopia. Your job is to shoot the slimes from the ship according to the scientists' instructions. Good luck. Wow. Just wow. It looks fun though. Super Slime. Another Unity game. So this is a Unity game. And apparently it's pretty challenging. I like the music. Type. Grow enough goo to win. Restart by clicking here. Start getting hit. To win this level, place the goo in the center. Sweet! Next level, a 1. The object is to terraform each sector by ensuring the correct population of each terraform glue is reached. Every 2 cycles, the goo expands 1 tile in every direction as space permits, but it dies off when surrounded by 6 or more goos, including itself. Okay, so we need 12 of red. Does that work? Oh. Okay. Next level. Permanent. Once it grows somewhere, it is there for good. Oh, it's death. Okay. XP every cycle the goo expands 1 tile up and down as space permits. Okay. So we need 8 of those. We need some prickly stuff and we need some cautious prudent. Oh, I'm not gonna get this one, am I? I needed 8 of them. Yeah, play again. Okay, so well, that's not too bad because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has to go there. And this one. That one. There we go. Is it grow enough? No, it can't grow enough. More time run out. Okay, so the green needs to be closer there. And the prickly stuff can go there, and that's got to go there. That's the only spot that can go. Because yeah, the red takes over. Oh, I'm 1 away! That's so annoying. Okay, play again. Okay, blue there. Red there. No, I stopped growing the green. The green's gotta go there, I think. Okay, so the green doesn't grow. Maybe the green's gonna go up there and then the red's gonna go like there. No, the red just takes over and just kills everything. That has to go there. It can't go anywhere else. Stuff is cautious. Maybe it needs to go like there. And then the road goes there and then they overtake one another. There we go. That'll probably work. No, how did that not work? Ugh. Maybe they've just got to go like right on top of one another. So like the green there and then the blue goes there and then the red goes right next to it. I can't. Why is the green not growing? Green needs to. Oh, I get it. The green needs to like go like somewhere in the middle here, so it's got double the amount of space, and the red needs to go there so it slows down. It's actually really difficult. There we go. Oh, what? Play again. Okay, there. Okay, we got it this time. Oh, it's gonna work. Oh, no. Why? Maybe I can grow the red there. Yeah, okay, it's not gonna grow any more than that. Okay, that's annoying. Okay, play again. Let's try the red there. That's actually really difficult. Why is it so hard? Oh, okay, that should get it. No. Oh, now I'm even less. Okay, what about if we put it like there? This may work. No. little trick to this. It doesn't really annoy me. Well, this could work. No. Nope. This is really hard. Why is it so hard? Hint. Yeah, obviously I've put the blue there already. Oh, there's 2 lines for that. Okay, so we used up the hint. That won't go there, will it? Won't do anything because the red won't move anyway. Restart. Okay. Go there, blue. All it does is give you that. Oops. Because we know that blue's gonna go there anyway. Why doesn't it give us a hint for anything else? Oh, it might work. No, it just takes over. Can't get sector 3 to grow. Scarlet. Put them right next to each other, see if that grows, makes it grow quicker. Yeah, out of time. I don't know if there's a way to actually win. I'm assuming it would be. This seems really hard for level 2. Maybe, no. Yeah, that's what I get to every time. Okay. I know, right? It's fun. It's just I need more space. I need more things to think about. Alright, let's go to the green worm. Alrighty. Moonkind. Well, the green worm is what it's called. His username. Their username. But Moonkind is the name of the game. Take part in this 700-year-long travel through interstellar space. Your ship isn't made of metal, but is the moon itself. And all your personnel inside the moon base are the only humans left in the universe. Oh my gosh. Violently propelled out of the solar system. Surviving the void will require determination, ingenuity, and strong management. Management! Build factory. Oh, basically it's Sim City on the moon. Sweet! Let's go. Let's do it. Sim City on the moon time. This is gonna be interesting. Sim City. Alright. Let's start. Sunlight. Oh, is that the sunlight? It has brought life to our planet and soon will bring nothing more than total annihilation. Sir, Earth Control Center just called. We have an emergency. What now? Solar sensors are going crazy. Everything points to a premature sign event. Last estimation said we had 20 years left. There's been unusual solar eruptions and it's getting worse. How long until the supernova? 10 minutes! There's still billions of people on Earth. So we need to do something quickly or it all ends here. Is the solar shield operational? We've just started testing it. Fantastic. Power it up. Maximum strength. It's the only shot we'll have. Let's go. Let's hope this theory holds up. Oh wow. They put a shield around the moon. So this is it. We need to make an announcement. This is an emergency broadcast of Site Manager. Dear citizens of the moon, this is the worst thing we could have imagined. Many of you have noticed a shield above your head. The sun is about to go supernova. The entire solar system, including Earth, is about to be destroyed. We will be protected, but we don't have enough time to bring more people from Earth. Brace yourselves. May God help us. We must take shelter. The sun could explode any moment. This is the last time I'll ever see our home. Whoa, this is really dark. Oh my gosh, the sun just went supernova. Wow! Oh my gosh, the solar system just got destroyed. The shield engineer did a great job. We may be alive, but I don't see Earth. Earth's control signal has stopped. May they rest in peace. Status report. I want to know where we are. Our stellar sensors seem to indicate we're being propelled out of the solar system. We're sailing into a void at roughly 700,000 kilometers an hour. It seems like we're heading straight into another star. We should be near enough to move another planet in about 750 years. We'll survive. We'll rebuild humanity on the moon. Good thing we received a stock shipment last month. I can show you the controller. Let me boot it up. Oh wow. Wow, it's the year 2150. And the Earth is destroyed. This looks complicated. This is the calendar. The topmost bar is showing how far we are from the next solar system. This is our current resource stock, water, energy, and material. This is a population. We're tracking the number and mood of our citizens. They're all happy at the moment. I don't know why they're happy. Our home just got destroyed and we're hurtling into space at 700,000 kilometers an hour and they're happy. We should build some production buildings if we want to survive 500 years. We don't be dead in 500 years. We'll be dead in like 100 years. We're in the building menu. Okay, build. Whoa! We need one of each. Should be enough for now. So we need a geothermal plant. Now that the construction plan is clear, we have to wait. Shouldn't we build more? We don't have enough working age citizens to run another production building. Empty factories aren't productive. The construction will take time. We should start waiting. We should start waiting! Our resources are going down. This is like speeding things up in SimCity. It's hilarious. It got to the end of, well, it took a few years to build. Basic needs. Okay, they're comfortable. We've got some great culture and they're hopeful. Wow, population's going up. How the heck do we have 67,000 people on the moon? An ice melting plant. Okay. Mining facilities. I don't have any more resources now. Okay, so it tells me how much each of the things. Oh, I accidentally built 3 geothermal plants. Right, that's what happened. I was like, why don't we have no resource? Why don't we have any water and materials? Uh-oh, we're gonna run out. Okay, good. Well, that was lucky. Our materials are now going up. Hey, Mr. Richard, how are you? The resources in stock are not enough to properly sustain the entire population, and action is required to avoid certain shortages. Oh, wow, we do nothing? Whoa, we can lower the population? That's terrible. Or we can ration people. I think we're just gonna have to ration people. I'm not... You decide to artificially reduce the population? That's terrible. What the heck? I have to make some really hard decisions. I'm great, except I just had to decide whether I kill off half the population on my moon or reduce their hope and culture and comfort. This is like tough decisions right here. There's not enough workers. There's not enough resources. Oh, what is going on? I know, it's really bad. I don't know what to do. I feel terrible. What do I do? Oh, you can destroy the building. Okay. Okay. Okay, these are working correctly now. Storage is full. Okay, now we're going back up. Production. The production's good. We don't have enough people. Save them all by destroying them. Well, I didn't have enough workers on them, which is annoying. This is like really, really crazy. I'm not sure what to do. Oh, something's under construction. Yeah, that one's working correctly. What's that? Control Center 1. How do we get more people? Whoa, there's nearly 100,000 people on the moon. No, what do I do? We don't have enough geothermal mass. Why is this red? It's costing that much. Increase storage. What about this one? How many things have I got? Why are there so many mining facilities? I think I accidentally like clicked them all. Like, is there a way? Okay. There we go. That's a better way to look at it. Okay, we probably need some more ice soon. Not enough workers. Okay, so that sounds so. Citizens have been producing new citizens. But our control center is getting crowded. That tends to make everyone uncomfortable. We've been working on new housing schematics. I've uploaded them to your build menu. Oh, sweet, I can build houses now. Crowded, okay. Okay, so you click on these nodes. I can stop production of certain things rather than destroying the building. You can just stop production. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, I can do that. Not enough resources. Death per month has increased. What do I need? Need all of those things then. Not enough resources. Construction stopped because not enough resources. Oh wow. days for another. We've been stranded and avoid quiet. People are starting to get bored. We've been working hard. We should stimulate the intellect with science or allocate some resources to entertainment. Sweet. Leisure center, alright. And a research lab. Oh, okay, let's let that play. I've gotta go grab this door really briefly because this is a package I've been waiting for and I can't really do much about it. Back in one moment, people. Okay, back. Sorry. I've just like if you miss what do you call it? The mail, you just like miss the mail and it doesn't come back. It's really annoying. Okay, how did this game rank? I actually don't know where this. I think so. Most of the games aren't ranked. Only the games that get like first and second are actually like given like a ranking, sort of. Okay. Okay, sorry. Alright, so, whoa, we execute people? That's not cool. Whoops, I ran, oh. What happened? There was a riot. I thought I could click on it and see what actually each one does. I think I just let my citizens riot. Needs maintenance. Needs a project. Oh, let's give it a project. Technology. Start the project. What's this on? Let's build some entertainment. Start project. Alright. Everyone should be a little happier now, right? Well, the mood is going down. That's not good. People's basic needs are going down. Okay, let's pause it. What's happening? Not enough resources. Oh my gosh. There's shortage of things. Okay, we need more resources, don't we? Citizens are gonna die. The recent discovery of the American flag and parts of the 20th century lunar equipment is having a great impact. Young people are reconnecting with their history. They've already got heaps of hope. Future generations. Okay, I want to stop this game before I just completely destroy my population of people. I've got nearly 120,000 people now. Oh, it's going down. They're dying. Okay, we're stopping it now before I kill any more people. Alright, next one we have is the show moon jump. Pretty. Alright. Okay, so use the WASD keys to move, jump, and escape. Oh, we got a controller as well. This one's got controller support. Alright, let's give this one a go. Run game. Okay, let's see how this goes. Programmer, maximum and sound. Let's start. Whoa! What are you rolling? like, don't know how long it's supposed to take me to get to the next, like, stage. What my energy doing? I really like it though. One more. Don't dilly dally or else you'll run out of star energy. Marbles or planets. I know it's super addictive, right? Oh, what? I got the energy! No! Oh, that was the end right there. That was the portal. Oh, that's alright. Let's try the next one, which is the moon anarchists. Oh, really? Save energy and jump this aggressively? I thought that was like the easiest thing, right? Okay, we did moon jump. That was moon jump. Let's go have a look at this one. The rebel moon anarchists have created a moon replica that can shoot mini moons. They decide that it's time to take over their orbital systems. Even the death say, I know, it's so cute. Hey, it was just like, ooh. It was beautiful, wasn't it, Flamo? Okay, after years of oppression and mining exploitations for helium-3 from the energy-hungry planets, Federation, the natives of the moon, organize themselves into an anarch association called the Moon Anarchists. Some of their best engineers worked in secret to create a generation capable of shooting mini moons, someone from a different dimension. Due to your fame as the best video game player, they put you in charge of operating the weapon. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Install some mini moon generators in this moon used to shoot enemy pilots. Okay, so wait, where's my... What am I shooting? Oh, that's me there, okay. actually really difficult. This one's maybe Godot as well, but oh my gosh, is it difficult. What is that thing in the middle? It's actually really difficult. You're stepping out. Oh yeah, it's like very classic NES, isn't it? Or like Atari. See you, Cheeky Man. Thank you so much for coming by. It's really difficult. Obviously, you're only going to set a number of moons, but... That was so annoying. Oh, one. Sweet. Next. And involved in the attacks and must finish to work for they understand our technology. You'll be kidding. I don't actually get what the moon's doing, so I'm like concentrating really hard. Oh, your moon was swallowed by the black hole. Oh, it's a black hole in the middle there, right? Definitely arcade game. Is it as arcadey as Neon Skies though? So for those people who came in a little bit later, this is one of the guys who runs GitHub Game Off. This is his favorite game ever submitted for Game Off. To the point where he created an arcade machine for this, and I've grabbed the source code and I'm gonna change it to be some like really cool shits. Oh wow. Oh no. It's wicked, hey? This is 2007, this one. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, that was that's the guy who runs GitHub Game Up, his favorite game of all time. Let's make sure we go and star the Moon Anarchists as well on GitHub. Star. Okay, next one. Oh, we've only got a couple left to go, guys. Oh, Lumi in the Dark Night. Here we go. Ba-ding. Oh, this looks cute. Help Lumi escape the darkest depths and restore the light in this 2D platformer. Alright. Oh, there's a gamepad as well. It's gamepad recommended. Let's see how this one goes. Another web Unity one. WebGL. Built by Woohoo. Dope visuals and music. Yeah, that one was... It's not from last week. That one's from 2017. So we bought it up last week. Because we wanted to talk about, like, again, that's the kind of game that lots of people, like, really get excited about. Okay, new game. Okay. This looks real cute. So, does gamepad work? So I can see opening sequence. Hey, Arjul, how are you? Maybe in the Dark Knight. Maybe in the Dark Knight. This looks creepy. Okay, 2D platformer. We gotta escape. Let's go. I'm alone in the darkness. The light was not far away. Oh, it's right there. Whoa, that does not jump very high at all. Maybe it's a double jump. Maybe we can do a double jump. Oh. How do I jump? Like high enough to get over that? Oh, I don't know if you can jump high enough. I literally don't know if you can jump high enough. Okay, so that's space, and that's A. So the space bar actually jumps way higher than the control pad. That's so weird. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so it's not fully... That's gamepad. Does that mean we can just like hold it down? Okay, no, you can't hold it down. Let's just give this a go on gamepad. I think the gamepad's a little... Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's slightly broken on gamepad. That's okay. Looks so cute though. They're hidden places if you don't look. Oh, okay, I jump higher as I get bigger. It's not a bug, it's a feature. No. Platform characteristics. Oh, as I get more light, I get stronger. Whoa, I get really strong. Does that mean I can... Okay, so it's still not quite. It's just... Controller is like the hard version. Whoa. So using controller is the hard version of the game. Okay, I'm not strong enough for that yet. I get that. There you go. And then I can, should be able to jump up here with my extra amount of light. Yes. Ah! Corruption has spread to even the darkest depths. Better wait for them to hurry. I'm assuming we can. Oh, that's alright. I'm assuming I get the thing. Yeah, I got it. Whoops. Oh, my health is increased, which means I can get there twice. Whoops. Oh, yeah, so it takes 2 things now. For me to die. Oops. Ah! I missed it. How high can I jump now? Wait, quite high. Whoa! That's not cool. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Oh, can't quite get there. It's gonna be one up. It's gonna be this one here. Oh, it hits me. Oh, dang it. Alright. I know, it went pop. Oh no. I can only get hit once there. Oh, I nearly had it. Okay, I can do it. Alright, I got this. Ah! At least it like spawns you back to a spot. This is such a cute game. Got it. Double jump! Yes. Yeah, it's a bit broken on control, that's okay. They're attacking me. Oh, maybe meant to be able to get there. No, I don't think you're supposed to be able to get there yet. Get this way first. Okay, so it's a long hole. And you can get there. Wow! I can actually jump really high. That's crazy. Ah! Whee! Whee! Ah! Ah! Whee! This is so cool. Whee! What's that, a moss? Hello? There's a door up there, but it's locked. Hold down to what? It said something else. It's 70% complete though. So I'm assuming there's other things I need to do. I get back here, that's right. Back at the start now, I'm assuming we need to go. No? There's nothing extra we can do back there. What did I miss? Must have missed something. Back here? I just want to see if there's anything else back here. Yeah, was there anything down here that I missed? Like, what was down? That was just around the opposite way, wasn't it? Maybe there's something up here. Oops. Yeah, I reckon something on top of that. Yeah, we go. There's the key. Oh wow, I can actually get that high. Ah. Oh no, let me get that light. No, I've probably got like an extra jump. Oops. Oh. Let me back up the top. Yeah, thank you. There we go. Yay. Now what do I get? Extra jumping. I just want to jump over. Oh no! That's alright, it should put me down here, yeah? Yeah. Oh, but I can't get across unless I get the... I can't get across unless I get... Oh, great. Okay, so it's just gotta wait till you hit the top of the jump and then use it. That's really annoying. That's alright. Just gotta be patient. That's all. Oh, what? Oh, so close. Ah. Oh, come on. Ah. Okay, we got this. We got this. Okay, we got this. Oh, okay. Bit sore. Okay, we're good. Okay. Let's do this. Ah. Oh no. Okay, we got this. actually difficult. Come on, I can do it. Oh, come on. I keep going pop. Why do I keep going pop? Okay, one last try. Yeah. We got this, we got this. I got it! Woo! Wow! Let's do it! Whee! Yay! We did it! Woo! This is level 1, guys. We did it. Yay. Woohoo. Hold up. We exited. Woohoo. That's really cute. Living in the Dark Knight. Level 2. Alrighty. Let us go to the last game we're going to talk about tonight, which is the Dark... No, just Orbit. I was like... The Dark Yumi Light Orbit thing. In the year... Oh, wow. Cyberpunk! This is hilarious. I love it. In the year 2244, Cyberpunk finally released. Mankind destroyed Earth. Luckily, there are a bunch of other ones spread throughout the galaxy. All they need is our moon to make it feel like home. Use gravity to set the moon into orbit around Earth 2. Earth 12 and beyond is... this physics puzzler. Right, it's a puzzle game. Apparently, Lee, who runs GitHub Game Off, apparently he played this for hours. And I'm talking like hours and hours. Alright, let's go. Level 1 to start with. Press and left click and hold the moon to consume juice. Okay? Press and hold to control the moon. Orbit. Oh, okay. I see. You want that one. Did that not work? How did that not work? Oh, okay, so it got spun off. Oh wow. It's just like... There we go. Oh, what? Whoa, what the heck? It just like gets spun off out of the middle of nowhere. Oh, wait, I think you can like... Oh, you can like bring it back, okay. Okay. Oh, okay, this is kind of cool. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay. This way. This way. This way. This is difficult. Wow. I've eventually got to get it to do it for 5 seconds just to be able to control it. Oh, this is so hard. Oh, I crashed the moon into the earth. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the that was like actually kind of good. Whoa. This is nuts. Oh, I think I can like... How the heck do you get this? Apparently it's based on physics. Wow. It didn't say which way we had to get to orbit. Just had to get into orbit. Oh my gosh. I have no idea how this works. But it's there. You know what? We've been doing this for like 2.5 hours now nearly. So, let us... I think that's enough games for the moment. So let's go star this one on GitHub as well. Star, okay, so to recap, here's all the games that we talked about today. I'll just bring them all up individually. So we talked about Billy's Rocket. This was us trying to control the rocket to go in a certain direction. Fun times. Next one we talked about is Moonshot, but we literally have to use like puzzle stuff to shoot the moon. Kind of cool, right? Next one we looked at Pack, where another puzzle game. It's like a lot of puzzle games, which is like really cool. This is a puzzle game where you had to like sort the crates out so you could launch the rocket. Next one we had was Skyjunk, which was really kind of fun and very hard to like figure out what to do, but really, really like in-depth game, which is cool. Take Pool to Space, and you've got Macro Pool. Hey, is the botnet, how are you? Guna, so essentially another puzzle. There's a lot of puzzle games on this one. You have to use this special slime to terraform the moon, which is fun. Moonkind, another apocalyptic one where the Earth has been destroyed by the sun and we're now floating on the moon. It's essentially SimCity for the moon. Then we've got Moon Jump, where you push your moon around the galaxy, all around the solar system, all around space to get to the portal. Then we've got the Moon Anarchists, use the moon to shoot other moons and just shoot mini moons at planets. It's really random. It's kind of like Space Invaders with the moon. This one was really cute, this platformer game, which we just finished playing. Yumi and the Dark Knight, so you platform along, you like level up your character with jumping and different lives and things like that, and you gotta get to the doorway, which is really cool. And then finally we went through Orbit. So Orbit was the one we just did, where Cyberpunk is finally released in the year 2244, and you had to try and get the moon to rotate or orbit another planet. It was actually quite difficult. So don't forget the GitHub Game Off. If you haven't ever seen the moon jump and the link one. Yeah, you like those two? Yeah, cool. So if you haven't ever seen the GitHub Game Off, this is the website. So we host it on the itch.io platform. The Game Off runs every year in November. If you can't wait that long and you want to get involved in game dev, as we mentioned in our session last week, there is JS13K Games, which is a game competition. There's more prizes up for grabs in this one too. The other one doesn't, the Game Off doesn't have prizes, it's kind of like bragging rights. This one you have to create a game in 13 kilobytes or less, has to be written in JavaScript. So a bit more constraints around this one. As a couple of people brought up in the chat, we have the Global Game Jam, which is happening at the moment, which is really awesome. And then the other ones we looked at last week were how to actually get involved in game dev. So if you want to learn more, there's some Unity learning, there is some Unreal learning, which is really cool. And we bought up the student developer pack because if you have the GitHub student developer pack, you get Unity Premium for free. So that's exciting. Now, we did mention, as same as last week, that what we want to do with these Open Source Friday streams is continue the conversation somewhere. So if you attended today's one or last week's one, go and jump in to the community forum. Post on there. I'll be posting this again, which is like the games that we went through today. So these are the ones we went through last week. So if you missed last week's stream, here are the ones here. We'll put today's ones up, and then if you feel like commenting or chatting or getting involved, if you do, you will get a badge. So Remruts, who jumped on last week and commented, got a GitHub Game Off badge. Exclusive, limited edition. We'll give it to anyone who comments on this thread. So that's an incentive for you. For you all. Now, before we finish up, were there any like questions or things you wanted to know? Anyone? Yeah, were there questions that you wanted us to go over, or stuff you thought we'd talk about we didn't? Otherwise, I'm going to wish you all a very happy Friday. But before I go anywhere, don't forget, every single one of these Open Source Friday streams are posted on our meetup group. So if you haven't joined our meetup group, please do. And be really excited because we're doing this again next week. I think it's next week. Where myself and my colleague will be talking about how to make Twitch bots connect to GitHub. So it's going to be a really exciting one. Really looking forward to this one. So yeah, it's going to be you shared the link for Unity. Awesome. Yeah, 100%. It's there. Yeah, this one's going to be really fun. So this is it. Here making Twitch bots connect to GitHub. So it's going to be 1 hour earlier than this week's stream. So it'll be 2 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. We'll get them to fix that. It's going to be really fun. B-Doggy's going to walk us through how to connect Twitch bots to GitHub. It should be really fun. We'll go through like webhooks, the Twitch API, the GitHub API and the Twitch SDK. And just having a bit of fun. So yeah, it's going to be good. So come along to that, and yeah, I will hopefully see you all next week at the next Open Source Friday. I hope you all had a lot of fun today, playing some games. We're going to be doing more Open Source Fridays. As I mentioned, we're doing Twitch bots next week, and then we'll get more maintainers to come on and talk to you about their awesome projects that they're doing and more cool things, because you don't want to listen to me every week. Seeing other people is way cooler. Alrighty, let us go and have a wonderful Friday for all the people down under, and a wonderful Thursday night for everyone else who is over in the Northern Hemisphere. Thank you all so much. I hope you had fun, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone. Thank you. See ya.